transmitter. Will it weather permitting?
If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by a responsible warning alarm will normally reception of this broadcast, and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties
and Walton.
listening area.
This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system.
Cherokee, Clark,
We now
Dawson,
return to our
Forsyth,
weather broadcasting.
Gwinnett, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Jackson, Lumpkin, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Walton, and Wright. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system.
This afternoon,
We now return to our normal weather
highs
broadcasting.
in the lower 70s. Northeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Tonight,
Here is the hazard